AI is getting weirder. Welcome to Is it AI? Is it AI? Or is it real? Or is it real? We're going to show a bunch of videos and you're going to get to decide whether it's AI or is it real. And we got some insane stuff for you today. We got dancing, we got animals, a heck of a bunch of stuff. And you're really going to enjoy it. So kick back and let's do this. All right, here's the first one.
Whoa, would you look at that? Yo. Ooh. Ooh. She's good. Oh, it's crazy. Her head bop is crazy. Damn. Damn. Okay. Hey.
What do you think? What do you think? That was pretty amazing. But is it AI or is it real? Let's do the countdown and you're going to tell me. 3, 2, 1. Is it AI or is it real? This one is real. This girl's been doing this for a while, it seems. It is amazing. We had another dancer the other day on here who was just as good. I mean, these people really got their stuff down. All right, let's go right to the next one. Check this one out.
Easy, Mama, I got you. Keep steady. I'm reaching for the little one. Hold still. Got him. It's okay. I got him. All right, buddy. I got you. Be safe, Mama. Sure. That's it. Reach for me. Come on. Come on. You're okay. Got you. Almost there. Don't let go. You're okay now. Breathe. Little one, you're safe. Is it, Mama? Safe, but rest up.
What do you think? Let's do the countdown. Let's see what we got here. 3, 2, 1. Is it AI or is it real? Hate to break it to you, but as sweet as it was, this is AI. Amazing. I'm just amazing job. I love when he's got the little pup on his head, on her head, his or her. It's awesome. I love the voiceover is always a tell. Definitely. He's like telling her, oh, just breathe at the end. Maybe you should do that in cougar language. Just breathe. Too funny. Okay, this one's got a snake. So if you don't like snakes, hide your eyes. Here we go. What do you guys think? I love this stuff. Let's count down. Let's see what you think. 3, 2, 1. Is this AI or is this real? This is AI. We did one of these the other day. The protecting the kittens to pull at your heartstrings. Yes, very popular. Mother protecting her young. Anything with protecting is big with these AI videos. I think they get the biggest reaction. Who doesn't want to be protected? And you get the little kittens in the back. There's some distortions around the attacking cat's neck, like right here, that give it away. But I knew from the start because these are very popular videos. I see a lot of these. But yeah, that's good stuff. Let's see another one. What do you think? All right, check this one out. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What do you think on this one? Let's count it down. 3, 2, 1. Is this AI or is this real? I think you know. This is definitely AI, but it's good. The dog walks in, he's got a balloon coming from his butt, and then some cat explodes from the side, and just everything goes to. Let's watch that again. Let's watch it again. Woo! That was some good stuff, this show, right? That was some good stuff. Let me know in the comments if you liked it. And if you're really liking our Is It AI or Is It Real segment. If you like it, I appreciate that. Let me know. Hey, let me know you like it by subscribing. A lot of people watch these videos and don't subscribe. It really helps us out. We're a new channel. And if you subscribe, much appreciated. Okay, everybody, stay tuned for the next show, and we'll see you soon.